They're out there today. You can see them way out there. When they turn into the sun, you see the bottom of their wings. But I flagged them. I fed them heavy last night at the same exact time, 12 hours ago, and they fly much better. Here they come. So, I don't know. Maybe they're just starting to mature. Could be that they're molted past their fifth tip. You know, that fifth tip is on their elbow, and it's a little bit sore when they molt it. So that could have been the problem, but they're flying, man. There's a couple of young ones with them, but for the most part, they're doing exactly what I want them to do.